Mabuhay! I'm Ivan Amir Reyes from BTM23, a tourism management student. In this video, I'll be sharing what I've learned from the subject Professional Development and Applied Ethics in Tourism Management and how it helped me not just as a student but as a future tourism professional. This course made me realize that tourism is not just only about destination and services. It's about people, professionalism, and personal growth. One of the most important lessons I learned is the value of self-awareness. Understanding my strengths, weaknesses, and work habits help me to identify areas for improvement and recognize my potential in professional settings. This subject also emphasizes professionalism, including proper communication, workplace ethics, time management, and accountability. I learned that in the tourism industry, how we represent ourselves and interact with others plays a major role in building a trust and credibility. Another valuable learning from this course was to create a more appealing and professional resume. I learned how to properly present my skills, experience, and achievement in a way that it fits industry standards and highlight my strength as a tourism student. This subject guides us on how to market ourselves professionally, which is very important as we prepare to enter a workplace after graduation. It helped me to understand what employers are looking for and how we can stand out in a competitive tourism industry. Professional development and applied ethics in tourism also prepared us for the real-world environment where we face after graduating from this program. We were trained to be more confident, adaptable, and ready to handle a real workplace situations. The course enhanced my communication skills, teamwork, and ability to deal with different personalities, skills that are essential in tourism, where service excellence and human interaction are always at the center. More than academic learning, this subject helped me transition from a student mindset to a professional mindset. It reminded me that growth does not stop after graduation and that success in tourism requires commitment, discipline, and passion for service. I also learned the importance of setting clear career goals and being prepared to face challenges with a positive and resilient attitude and character. In conclusion, professional development and applied ethics in tourism management played a crucial role in preparing us for a life after college. From improving our resume to developing the right mindsets, skills, values, and character, this subject helped us to be more competent and industry-ready professionals. The lesson I gained will guide me as I move forward in my tourism career and continue to grow both personally and professionally. Once again, I'm Ivan Amir Reyes from BTM23. Thank you.